And what I wanted to focus on, the price action is around 75s, because it keeps reloading. Like for me, and then again you see here, they see the actual volume which is just going through at these prices, but we're still staying here. Like yes, there's someone hitting the bid, yes there is someone kind of like selling at this area, but this is the sort of really like tight sort of auctioning area that I was talking about. And in regards to the volume, the actual auctioning speed, this was something that I really liked and something that I was kind of, I was willing to kind of take really tight risk and just feel out the parameters of the move. And then you can see like I'm willing to pay down on some, get in on some. So for me, it was just kind of a matter of working out where this sort of churn finishes and like at what point do I want to get out, because it's not kind of churning the same way. So again, you see 155 lots, 180 lots trade down and it goes bid, right? So you see again, like I'm kind of now trying to work out the area. So for me, 6s and 5s is quite key. As you'll see, I'll take a load at 5s. So you see, you got to remember in regards to like, so for me when I'm trading oil in these type of trades and breakouts, like I'm always trying to remember where the last, so you see there 168 lots just traded 5s, goes bid after I scared out of some. I knew someone traded a load at 76s. So the minute it gets back above 6s, I like lifting 7s, I like lifting 6s, I like lifting 7s. So you see I'm trying to get filled on 5s, goes bid over 6s. See the minute he lifts 7s, I want to get in. So again, you're seeing the nice churn. Between 5s and 6s, you're seeing someone's taking maybe 400 contracts. Another 150, 160 lots traded to 6s, which is where the guy originally took all those lots on the bid. So we get someone aggressively lift 7s. I got filled on the 5s, so now and then, as you'll see how it moves away from here, I use a stop entry to get away my last bit, just from understanding the churn of where, like, you see how like I paid down, but I was kind of being nimble with the clip, knowing that I was just trying to feel out my parameters. So the minute like I kind of got that churn on 5s, I kind of got like a new sort of smaller extreme. I mean, like I always have a kind of rough stop as to where this trade's going to be. But like as I'm going through this trade and understanding how it's developing, like I can kind of get a clearer stop on it. And the way it goes bid from this area is quite aggressive, which you'll see how I use the stop entry to get the last little bit away. But yeah, did you guys trade this at all? This breakout in the oil? Around, no. Yeah. I mean, for me, like, and then you see how it comes back to 5s and it instantly churns them again. So that's kind of like, for me, why it's really important to sort of be remembering, like, why it's so important when you're trying to position for this trade. Like, like there's little things in here which just kind of give me that, something to lean on in regards to like, when you have like a level or a sort of a ledge and the kind of price action you're expected to see through here, you're just kind of trying to fill out your parameters, feel out, I don't know if do I get filled here? And then what I find with CL is as well, when you can't get filled, so you see how it's just going bid, 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 churning, and the minute you can't get filled on say 5s, 6s, 7s, I'm not saying you're just going to lift everything, but like for me it's like a real telltale sign, because the way the market seems to trade, like I said, I trade out lots of big orders before it moves away, and then when it moves away really aggressively. So we've had a massive accumulation between 5s and 8s, and then if you watch how it trades up and it goes bid, it doesn't really give you an amazing chance to start smacking highs and attack it like that. So now we're trading above that ledge, and you see how the price action kind of goes a bit sort of skippier. Big clips kind of go in or whatever like that, but it's sort of hard to sort of, you're seeing someone lift hundreds of lots here at 80s, it goes bid. And again, 75 lots goes bid. You see how I put my stop in here? There was there's a load of size in between this area. I don't know if you saw, I'll repeat it for you guys. I mean, my kind of thought process behind this, doing the way I did it, was basically just of how, because of what I was saying in regards to how it goes away. So you've had that little cluster, you've had that really sort of tight accumulation area where it's just kind of churn, 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 whatever it is, an order or whatever you want to call it, is taken and filled. You've done all the hard work in regards to trying to position for the ledge, and the price, and like there's up to 05s is where kind of you wanted to sort of look to aim for. And then it's not really good quality, but there's a 200 lot and there's a 300 lot right here on the offer. So for me, I felt like if it was going to blip through, and 95s was Friday's high. So for me, I felt if that kind of all that size got lifted in that area, whether it was real or not, you should get a bit of a reaction from that. And as you see, like the kind of stop out, in my opinion, is a kind of a accumulation of all those positions, and then it kind of just unravels over those prices. But I mean, this pushes up to 20s, I think, or 22s. But like as you see here, for me, when it does that kind of, you know what I mean, it's giving you that move in regards to, you know, for me, all the hard work went on in here, and then it was a matter of me trying to, you know, manage my position after it.